Hi dear friends, welcome to my second vlog. I hope you had the opportunity to listen to my first one, which was really on 3 boring questions. But when I think about a brand, I thought I should share one more very important thing about a brand, which is that great brands always have a purpose which is way beyond making money. Making money isn't wrong, but I think to enthuse your customers and keep them engaged, you need to give them a larger purpose. I think the first advantage you have when your brand stands for a purpose is that you're always able to fight the price war much better. Look at Nike and see how it has been able to keep its competition at bay in terms of its price, being still way above what its competitors charge, but is always able to enthuse its customers. Nike does not stand for a sport shoes. Nike stands for a brand of sports. It stands for challenging yourself and just doing it. Similarly, I think when your brand stands for a larger purpose, it's quite agnostic of the product line that it stands for. Look at Google. I think it always challenges itself and says Google means innovation. So yes, Google is a great brand for search engines, but today it's into cars. Can you imagine that? And lastly, I think brands which stand for a purpose are always able to go back to their customer with something new all the time. Look at Apple. It always goes back to its customers and urges them to challenge the status quo. That's what brand Apple stands for. It does not stand for iPad, it doesn't stand for iPod, it doesn't stand for the Mac. It stands for something which is challenging the status quo. So remember guys, if you want to really fight the commodity war, I think the best way to do that, and probably the only way to do that, is to have your brand stand for a larger purpose. This is Sundar Madakshira sharing some of my views on what branding can do on my vlog, which can be found on my blog madakshira.com.